This is his kiln signature, and also let's see, this is a golden one. Oh wow. And the sharing cup. See, this one is very different from Master Penson House sharing cup design. This one has a peak here. Oh, and one quick question. How do you usually call this part? How do you usually call this? Because I check AI and it says sprout. Yeah, this is a golden one. It's a very beautiful one, gold and pink. Gold and pink. Spouts. Okay, spout. Thank you, Master Gregory. You and Deanna are my good teachers. I don't know. This one has a purple color in it. Let's put some strong light in it. Spout. There are a lot of terms in English words. Yeah, hairspray, beautiful hairspray, gold and purple, and the silver ring. And the silver ring. Yeah, this spout. And this one is red. It's not too tall. It's a golden color. You probably have seen this one in some other masters' work as well, because I think they use the same recipe formula glazes. Okay, this is master业长青step. This is master业长青step. And this is e-kiln. Yes, e-kiln is e-kiln. Wood-kiln is wood-kiln. Okay, this is a dark one. I have no idea what's the price of that one. That's each one. What about Instagram? Is there a lot of people using Instagram? Is Instagram Live very popular? Should I consider Instagram? That's a very good suggestion. It can be. Hello, Dennis Chen Wei. Okay. Yeah, we should probably think about it. Alright, this is a timeout shake. Timeout shake fully glazed. And this one has a lot of printings. It's a Fujian glaze. A lot of stars in it. That's all stars in it. Oh, wow. This looks like the starry night. Oh, really? Okay. Alright, I'll think about that. Maybe I'll do the dual streaming. Oh, yeah, no, but okay. Instagram cannot be dual with. Alright, I got it. Okay, I'll try to do it.